Floriculture, a bed of roses ahead for the industry. The team of G.V. Iyer and T. Subiram Reddy achieved national fame with a superb interpretation of the Bhagavad Gita, a film which went on to win the National Award for the Best Feature Film of the Year. Now the two have come together again to produce another major epic, this time on the life and times of the great reformer, Swami Vivekananda. India This Week takes you to the sets of Swami Vivekananda and gives you a close encounter with the cast, the director and the producer of the film. Before that, the other headlines from the world of arts and entertainment.
Bombay's renowned Prithvi Theater celebrated its 50th anniversary by organising month-long festivals of contemporary world theatre in Bombay and Delhi. The theatre was founded by the stage and cine thespian, the late Prithvi Raj Kapoor. The groups in the festival hail from countries as diverse as Belgium, Germany, Japan and Israel. The focus of the festival is on visual theatre, with workshops also being conducted for Indian actors.
After a long wait, Phoolan Devi encountered her real image of yesteryears when she was shown Bandit Queen, the controversial film based on her life, at a private screening in the Information and Broadcasting Ministry auditorium. The screening was in pursuance of a High Court directive. Phoolan, a housewife now, refused to react to questions from the media after the screening. The film was recently withdrawn as India's entry to the Oscars.
The Surajkund Mela, the annual handicrafts and handloom fair, got off to a colourful start this week. Being in the proximity of the capital, this fortnight-long fair attracts enthusiasts and buyers in droves to witness the master craftsmen in action and to purchase from them authentic artifacts and dress materials. Other attractions include fashion shows which highlight the best in Indian ethnic wear. In recent years, the fair has also become a centre stage of traditional art, folk music and cultural events.
The film, being produced by Subiram Reddy, is on an epic scale and is the 81st directorial venture of the 76-year-old G.V. Iyer.
The entire world knows as the great son of our India. But common man has no opportunity to know about his life story and the events in his life and what message is given to society and what inspiration he gave to the youth. So if you see a film, they'll be able to know what was Vivekananda's message to country and world.
In a bold move, disco dancer Mithun Chakravarti has been cast as Ramakrishna Paramahansa and Hema Malini as Goddess Kali. Shashi Kapoor and Shammi Kapoor have been cast as Maharajas and Anupam Kher as a station master. Sarvadamana Banerjee, who played Krishna in Ramanand Sagar's teleserial Sri Krishna, is Swami Vivekananda. The music has been scored by the veteran music director Salil Chaudhary. Popular Bollywood choreographer Chinni Prakash is also part of the credits. Why did G.V. Iyer, who has consciously avoided glamour in his earlier films, decide to cast so many Bombay film stars this time?
My pictures will always be in the boxes without going to the light. I wanted just this picture to go for more people, for more audience.
However, the film blends song and dance routines along with glamour into the tales from Swamiji's life, promising to make the film an enjoyable and at the same time enlightening fair. The King of Khetri donates money to Vivekananda to go to Chicago. At the time when Swamiji is making his way to the palace, the royal dancer is also making her entry in her palanquin. Swamiji looks down upon such dancers, but after her song and dance, he changes his opinion and asks for forgiveness.
It fills my heart with abundant joy and unspeakable to do this role. And I'm feeling great by doing this film, Swami Vivekananda.
For the producer, Subiram Reddy, doing mega film ventures comes as a matter of long habit. While very few are aware of the fact, he is a man of many facets. The former chairman of Tirumala Tirupati Trust and chief of the film jury, he is the man behind many a Tamil, Telugu and Hindi blockbuster. In the cinema of entertainment, perhaps falls short of providing the fulfillment that he looks for in the art form. And producing films like Swami Vivekananda and Bhagavad Gita is like doing a duty towards society.
I felt that I must make another great film after Bhagavad Gita. So when I was thinking, then Mr. Iyer told me that why not we make a film on Vivekananda. Then I immediately felt it will be a great opportunity for me to serve the society by making a film on Vivekananda. Totally a siphon, a rupee we didn't get. I think perhaps about 1 crore rupees I could have spent for that and we didn't get.
Undaunted, the producer-director duo of Reddy and Iyer have launched a yet more ambitious venture. G.V. Iyer, who is held in great esteem by Reddy, shot into fame when he won the National Award for his Sanskrit film Adi Shankaracharya. Swami Vivekananda, being shot both in English and Hindi, is for Iyer a way of paying his tribute to the great philosopher saint from modern Indian history.
Nobody is doing the pictures on philosophy. Those people who are bright people, youngsters, who can, when they are inquisitively wanted to know about what is our past, what is our heritage, what is our treasure, then these pictures may help for them. For that I am doing.
Whether the film on Swamiji's life is a commercial success or not, the cinema buff is keenly looking forward to its completion in the near future.
The epic story of Swami Vivekananda being made for the big screen. That is all we have for you this week.
From all of us in the India This Week team, thank you and namaskar.
Namaskar.